Set up end-to-end business intelligence using RynBI Framework, 1 hour only. How to set up data warehouse to prepare business intelligence solution. How to prepare data model, OLAP cube as SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services, and preparing report. For quick development and testing with preview report for analytics process. Here is the steps in RynData to develop solution in less than 1 hour. Here is 12 steps to set up business intelligence, develop data model, set up data pipeline and ETL and report generation. Step 1. Set SQL database server name and database as target data warehouse system. Step 2. By modeling add dimension list to the dimension list. Dimension attribute. It is similar to a column of the database table. Dimension attribute mapping. For example, when a retail system has product dimension and product is defined with name, department, category, gender, etc. The product will be dimension and department, category, gender will be considered as an attribute. Step 3. Set up fact, measure, tables and formula. Go to fact list menu item. Create a measure fact name. As per fact definition assign dimensions using add fact domain mapping menu. For example, fact sale has a definition at product, location, date. Fact name will be sale and product, location, date dimensions will be assigned as granularity level of fact. Step 4. OLAP cube setup add cube list and setup cube. When a BI system needs one or more cubes to need to design based on certain criteria. All cubes name is added here. According to the business process, respective measures assigned to hold them and all dependent dimensions will be assigned accordingly. Data relation will be automatically determined by the RynBI framework. Step 5. Data ETL setup data warehouse and ETL extraction transformation and loading operation execution and control system. ETL job for refreshing data in DW is set up using RynBI ETL tool. Run SQL, DW query and staging query. As per the design system model, the data warehouse schema will be generated by the system. For data safety data engineer interaction with DW system will be exposed staging database objects. Here it engineer can adjust data with external applications. Step 6. System design and configuration. Go to System Properties, select DW Infra and override System Default Properties. Add server name, OLAP server, username, password. Step 7. DW and OLAP infrastructure settings. Update change properties of DW server default. Step 8. Quick data preparation, adjustment and control using RynData Excel add-ins. Select RynData tab. Connect with Ryn web server. Click on Manage ETL menu. RynData ETL Manager will be open. Load table. Select respective table in drop-down list. Download data and fill the record. Save. Respective DW table in database will be loaded with data in Excel. Refresh DW and cube. OLAP cube will load with values and processed. And check SQL Server database table in data filled and verify schema. Step 9. Deploy cube schema. Step 10. Check SQL Server cube generation. Verify that a new cube has been created successfully. Step 11. In Excel connect OLAP server and verify loaded data. Make sure loaded data from source using ETL is the same in cube. Data from other sources. Select the analysis server. Server name. Step 12. Prepare an Excel pivot and publish the workbook to the central server. Open the workbook and make sure the report structure did not lose.